In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an hourly rate for a user in Clio Manage. To get started, sign into your Clio Manage account and make sure you're using an account with permission to view and edit user settings. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This is where Clio Manage keeps your firm-wide configuration options, including user profiles and billing details. From the Settings area, open the section labeled Users or Manage Users, depending on how your account is set up. This will take you to the list of users in your firm. Find the person whose hourly rate you want to update, then select their profile to open their details. Once you're on the correct user record, click Edit so you can make changes. After that, scroll down until you see the Billing, Rates, or Hourly Rates section. The exact label can vary a little, but you're looking for the area where that user's billing rate is stored. In that field, enter the user's hourly billing rate carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the amount before saving, especially if your firm uses standardized rates for different roles or seniority levels. Even a small typo here can affect future billing, so accuracy matters. If your account supports rate histories, you may also see an option to choose an effective date. This is useful if the new rate should begin on a specific day rather than applying generally without a timeline. Select the correct effective date so your records stay clean and your billing reflects the intended change. When everything looks right, click Save to apply the update. At that point, the new hourly rate is stored on that user's profile and will be used for new time entries created by that user going forward. One important thing to keep in mind is that this user rate is not always the final rate used on every bill. In Clio Manage, matter-specific or client-specific rates can override the user's default hourly rate. So if you notice a time entry using a different amount later, that usually means a more specific billing rule is in place for that client or matter. That's all there is to it. Once you know where to find the user settings and billing section, updating hourly rates is a quick process and can help keep your timekeeping and invoicing accurate. Thanks for watching.